going to learn how to make paper aeroplane. First take 5 papers. Keep 4 papers aside. Now take this paper and fold like this. Can you see this? Take one side of the paper and keep on the opposite side of the paper. Now fold this side of the paper like this. Now you can cut this side with scale or with scissors. I am using scale. When you are trying on really, it is your wish. Keep this paper aside. Once you just open this paper and make this paper like this shape. After tearing this paper, you keep like this and fold like this horizontally and fold like this vertically. After doing this, you should make this paper like this, and on the other side also you should fold this paper like this only. Can you see this paper? After making like this, you should take one side of this paper and fold like this into the half. And same as this you should do for the other side also. After doing like this, you should make this part like back of, you should fold this part to the back of the side, and you should fold this part into half. Among these 5 parts, take any 2 parts. It is your wish. Now take these 3 parts and keep it aside. Now can you see here? There are 2 holes for this part and there are 2 sides for this part. Now keep these 2 sides into these 2 holes like this. Now you will get shape like this. After that, take another part, and can you see here back side there are another 2 holes for this part. Now keep these 2 corners into these 2 parts, 2 holes. You see, you will get a shape like this. Now keep this shape aside. Now take another 2 parts. You see here, can you see these 2 holes? Keep these 2 corners into these 2 holes. Now you will get shape like this. Now you see here at the middle of this there are 4 holes for this paper. You take this corner one and keep at any one of the hole. You should keep slowly. If you keep fast, then now keep this slowly and don't keep fast when you are trying, and your paper aeroplane is ready.